Is Imvu down? Hello guys and welcome to our channel. Welcome to World of Apps. So I know that many of you have problems with Imvu right now because I received a lot of messages from people who have issues with it. Many people are experiencing some outage and the game is just not working properly. As you can see here, I am on Twitter and people are complaining by trouble logging in and servers down. If I try to go to the site and then I'm trying to click on the link, it's just not working. So guys, as you can see, you are not the only one who has problems with Imvu right here, so you don't have to worry about it because they will fix this as soon as possible. If you still want to try to fix it, you could restart your phone, reinstall the app, or clear the cache and the data from your settings. So if you do have trouble with Imvu right now, you can comment in the comment section down below. You can like this video and you can subscribe to the channel for more updates about this topic. Thank you so much for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.